This most expensive video is currently available for viewing. I'll talk about my experience managing the design project for my customer. Hello, my name is Tanvir. Let's go for it. Simply a brief description of his project and the kind of design required. Buyer sent me many samples so I can make a design. I simply visit pinterest.com. Use the search term like Sri Lankan traditional devil mask. To find a selection of photo to use a guide. I used Figma to create this design. It is simple to use. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I have a whole playlist about Figma. First, I need some image adjustment like color grading. I change some contrast, brightness, saturation, etc. to visible our design that gonna make it easy to understand my design. So let's begin my design. So this is how I create a project, and the client also requests the production of 10,000 t-shirt in choice of 8 color. To find out what kind of project you need, look at the video description. I appreciate you coming in my upcoming video. Well, meet again. Goodbye.